Yeah, this is my buddy Jim, first fish of the year. We're down here on Lake Erie at the mouth. Looks like he's got about a 27-incher on. Nice fish. See if we can't get him to get it up here. We'll get a better look at it. Nice, here we go. Nice fish. Oh, it's got some guts left.
Odd color.
Now bring, oh, beautiful fish. One of Lake Erie's finest here, folks. Once you get that, release it, Jim, and hold it up.
Oh, I don't have my you got your hemos? No.
Stop it. Get a close-up shot. That's it. About 28-incher. That's Jim releasing it to fight another day.